Hi, uh, Dr. Neeta Shah. I've been coming to her for last 1.5 months, and I've done about 6 to 7 sessions with her. My problem for which I came here was frozen shoulders. I had frozen shoulders in both my shoulders, and my hand today, if you can see on the left hand, is going to this stage where I could not lift my hand beyond this. My other hand is gone to this stage, only the last bit left, and I've had some miraculous treatment and some miraculous resolution of my problem here with Dr. Neeta. This has been going on with me for the last 1 year, and I had gone to multiple places, be a chiropractor, be a orthopedic, done my MRI, and multiple places I had gone, but this was recommended by a very close friend of mine. He said, "Why don't you go and give it a try?" This kind of medical treatment is not very usually heard of, right? And they use some German technology with quantum physics at the background. And though I was skeptical to come here, but because I was not getting any solution from any doctor, and everybody only told me no kind of surgery required, and some people recommended for steroids injections, but I didn't want it to go that way, and I wanted to get this treated naturally. So I came to Dr. Neeta, and she not only checked my frozen shoulder problem, she checked my other parts of the body, which was a very unique kind of check that would happen across my body on how my energy levels are with my organs. Though there is still more work to do and more relaxation treatments that have to happen. Two very important things when you come here and when you take the 1 hour session, 70-minute session to be precise, and you move out, your energy levels reach to a different level altogether. My first interaction, my first session, post that first session, my energy levels were really high. And then they have been continuing to be high. Though I mentioned that there is still some way, some more ground to be captured. So Dr. Neeta has treated me where I've started getting a lot of relaxation, especially on my right shoulder. If you see my hand is going up, yes, there is some bit of discomfort still left, but I'm pretty sure if I've reached here, it will be solved where my hand was stuck on my right leg. And if I would move around anybody, I would be very protective so that if somebody touches me, an excruciating pain will happen. Now all my pain is gone, and she tells me that the swelling internally has gone. That is why you are able to move your shoulder pretty well. My left shoulder has completely become okay. So, having said that, what I feel coming here is not only about the shoulder. I feel that the energy levels in the body become really, really, really well. And Dr. Neeta, thank you so much for opening this treatment. I hope more people are able to uh, to benefit out of this treatment through this video. Thank you very much.